Dinosaurs once ruled the earth, yet they vanished. Their inability to adapt led to their extinction. Businesses face a similar challenge. Markets shift, technology evolves. To survive, businesses must adapt. The market rewards businesses that can evolve. These businesses thrive in the storm. Change is the one constant in business. Resisting it is futile. Embracing it, however, can unlock incredible growth. Change brings challenges, yes, but also opportunities. Consider the rise of e-commerce. Traditional retailers initially saw it as a threat, but some adapted. They embraced online platforms. They integrated their physical and digital presence. They not only survived, they thrived. Change forces businesses to innovate. It pushes them beyond their comfort zones. This leads to new products, services, and processes. It fosters a dynamic and resilient organization. Embracing change starts with mindset. It requires a shift from fear to curiosity, from resistance to exploration. This shift allows businesses to see change not as an obstacle, but as a stepping stone. Adaptability thrives on creativity. Businesses need to foster a culture of innovation. This means empowering employees to think outside the box. It means encouraging experimentation and even celebrating failure as a learning opportunity. Creating a culture of innovation starts at the top. Leaders must champion new ideas. They must create an environment where employees feel safe to take risks. One way to foster creativity is through cross-functional collaboration. Bring people from different departments together. Encourage them to share ideas and perspectives. This cross-pollination can spark unexpected and innovative solutions. Remember, innovation is not just about developing groundbreaking products. It's also about improving existing processes. It's about finding better, faster, and more efficient ways of doing things. Section 4. Riding the wave. Staying ahead of trends and customer needs. The business world is in constant motion. New trends emerge constantly. Customer needs evolve. Staying ahead of these shifts is crucial for sustained relevance. Businesses must become adept at identifying and interpreting trends. This involves monitoring market data, analyzing competitor moves, and most importantly, listening to customers. Social listening tools provide valuable insights into customer sentiment. Feedback forms and surveys offer direct lines to customer opinions. This information is pure gold. It allows businesses to anticipate needs and adapt accordingly. Adapting to customer needs might involve tailoring products, refining marketing messages, or even completely overhauling business models. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. Section 5. Opportunities in disguise, turning challenges into stepping stones. Change often arrives shrouded in uncertainty. It can feel threatening. But within every challenge lies an opportunity. Businesses with an adaptable mindset can turn these challenges into stepping stones. The COVID-19 pandemic is a stark example. It forced businesses to adapt rapidly. Restaurants pivoted to takeout and delivery models. Retailers ramped up their online presence. Offices embraced remote work. Those who saw the pandemic as an opportunity to innovate often emerged stronger. They discovered new ways of operating. They identified untapped customer needs. They embraced digital transformation. The ability to see opportunity in the face of adversity is a hallmark of adaptability. It allows businesses to not just survive difficult times, but to emerge stronger and more resilient. Section 6. Evolving for success, actionable steps for business transformation. Building an adaptable business is an ongoing process. It requires continuous learning and evolution. Here are some steps. Cultivate a culture of learning, embrace data-driven decision-making, encourage experimentation, seek external perspectives, be agile and responsive, empower employees to make decisions. The most successful businesses are the most adaptable. Embrace change and foster creativity to thrive in the 21st century marketplace.